Hi, I'm Andrew Mee, your Bill Buckle Volkswagen sales manager. It's important for us that you be introduced to our service department, so let's take a quick drive. We have two service centres at Bill Buckle, one in Brookvale and a satellite centre in Monavale, both on Sydney's northern beaches. Today I am going to introduce you to our main service centre located at 196 Harbour Road, Brookvale. From the showroom, turn onto Pittwater Road, heading north. Turn right into Harbour Road at the intersection with Office Work. Follow Harbour Road until you see a Shell service station, and we are the next building on the right. It's that easy.
Hi, welcome to Bill Buckle Volkswagen Service Department. This is where all your service needs will be taken care of on your Volkswagen. Thanks for saying hi.
If you're not completely happy with your experience here at Bill Buckle Volkswagen, please contact me personally and we'll resolve the issue together. Don't forget about our satellite service centre at 47 Bassett Street, Monavale. That's all from me, and thanks for coming on the drive.